To rinse it and to clean my gun, I fill my gun up with mineral spirits and then shoot the entire engine with the mineral spirits, which is basically just cleaning the gun and rinsing whatever grease there is. And I'm gonna go in with a rag and just, well, the transmission's gonna be silver how it's supposed to be. And then I'm gonna take the edge here real quick, and I won't be able to paint until tomorrow probably because it's hella windy. It's been some shit weather today. Damn it, boy. Yeah. I found the oil filter adapter